Hello everyone, Chris here, helping you take your guitar playing even further. Coming up in this video, I'm going to explain what a power chord is and how to play it multiple different ways on the guitar. Okay, so what is a power chord? A power chord is a two-note chord that consists of the first and fifth note from the major scale. If you're wondering what is a major scale, I'll show you on the guitar right now. So from the C note, 8, 10, 12, do that again, 8, 10, 12, 9, 10. That's a 1 octave major scale. Or you also may know this way, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth note. There's your root, there's your fifth. Or if you're doing it this way, root note, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to know what the name of the power chord is when you're playing it, wherever your first finger is, that's the name of the chord. So if you're here, that's a G note, that's a G power chord, or it's also called a G5. I think power chords are one of the coolest things to play on guitar. They're not only fun to play, but they're pretty simple to learn as well. So another way to play a power chord would be open E and then B note. So it's just these two notes. That's it. And if you go down one more string, open A and E note, that's an A power chord, an A5 power chord. E5 power chord, A5 power chord. And you can also do it on the fourth and third string. It's not as strong or powerful as on the sixth and fifth and fourth string, but it's another option. You could use the A string for what they call a pedal note. Power chords are mainly used in just rock and songs with distortion on the amp. Make sure to practice this formation. It may be a little difficult near the headstock of the guitar because the frets are a little wider. In the two-note power chord, you could use your first and third finger, or your first and pinky finger, or fourth finger. Whatever's more comfortable for you. And if you want power chords a little more fuller, do the same thing. First and third finger, and then under your third finger put your pinky. Now I know you're wondering, well, if you said it's only 2 chords, why are you playing 3 chords? Well, the reason being is because this is the root note from the major scale, that's the fifth note from the major scale, and this is the octave from the root note. An octave in this case is 8 notes higher, playing 8 notes higher. We do that on the fifth, fourth, and third string. Same formation. Now here's the difference. That's the 3-note power chord. Here's the 2-note power chord. Not much difference, but it is a little fuller. So now if you go, another option, if you go to the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, it's going to change, because from the 5th to the 4th to the 3rd string, and the 3rd to the, and 5 notes up from the root is a perfect 4th. From the G to B, you'd have minor 2nd, major 2nd, major 2nd, minor 3rd, minor 3rd, major 3rd. So that's what you have here. So the way you play it is a little different. So it would be same as the 1st and 5th like before, but then you go up 1. Instead of playing it here, you go up 1 fret. And then to play a power chord on the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string, the 1st, 5th, and then the octave of the root note. So if you got value out of this lesson, make sure to like this video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm get it to more people to watch it. And also make sure you share this video and turn on your post notifications so you get notified anytime I come out with any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.